Hello everyone. Today you will be doing the 4.2 Part A lab where you get to observe wave movements within water. So the materials you'll have for today is one full tray and one half tray. You will have a cup of gravel. You can actually leave the gravel in here, no need to take it out at any point during the lab. You'll have a beaker of water or a sink to get water from. And then you will have a water dropper as well as a ruler, which I forgot to grab. So for this lab today, you will be starting by filling up this tray of water with about 2 to 3 centimeters deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my ruler in here and just start pouring. I think I'm just going to do it at 2 centimeters. If you can fit 3, fit 3. If not, 2 is fine. Okay, so that's like right perfectly at 2 centimeters. I can see it lines up there on the ruler. And I need to refill this, or actually I can leave it. You can refill it or just use the water that you have in here. So to start, I'm actually going to move my tray a little bit closer. So to start, you're just going to get some water into your dropper and observe the waves that form when you just drop some water in there. So I don't know how well you can see it here in the video, but when you do the lab, obviously it'll be easier to see the waves being formed. But what you should see is pretty much drop in the middle and then it ripples all the way out until it hits the edge of the tray. You may even see some of, like when it hits the corner or the edge of the tray, you may be able to see some water bounce back. But that's all you do there is observe the waves for that. Then what you'll do is you'll take your gravel and just set it in here. So again, no need to take the gravel out of the tray. You can leave the lid on and everything. Get some more water, and now you'll drop some water. Get rid of those bubbles. Somewhere on the side of the gravel. So, and I have a broken tray because I have water leaking. So I'm going to hurry up here and drop some water and observe the waves of the water as it gets dropped next to the gravel, and you can see that the waves kind of move around the gravel this time. All right. So again, will be easier to see in person than in this video. Once you finish with that, you can actually go ahead and use the half tray to cover where the gravel is, and you can do some testing and some guessing, like as if you're a real scientist with your group, where you drop water in. You actually may need to adjust your tray different ways, but you will either choose as a group whether you have gravel in or not in this tray, and someone in your group will guess based on the wave patterns whether or not there's gravel in there. Okay, and that's all you do for the day. When you're done, make sure you fill out your packet.